Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Let's Slice Data with Saurabh. So today we are going to discuss the essential thing which we need basically for the Python coding. So as we know that we have already installed Python in our machine and we have used the command prompt once to open the Jupyter notebook. So let's start from there. I will show you something, then I will tell you that what will be the problem and how will you resolve that. So that you can, get some understanding that why this command prompt is needed, this black screen. Let's say, I will say Jupyter notebook. It will start from the reverse process so that you can understand it easily, why this command prompt is needed and for what purpose, and basically what are the commands we are going to learn today. So let's say I have run this particular Jupyter notebook, and we will go there and we will see that, okay, what kind of problem we will face if we do not install a library into this command prompt. So let's say we reach here for the new Jupyter notebook. I will open it and I will go to a new notebook here and I will say, see guys, don't worry if you do not understand anything here. Import pandas as PD. So I just want to import a library called pandas, because whatever videos you will see on internet, they will start from here. They will say to import few libraries into this Jupyter notebook and start running that. But I am going to tell you that, okay, before this, what all you have to do. Basically, how to install this library. Otherwise, import will fail. Let's see. I have run this command and it's saying module not found error. No module names panda. So panda's name module is not present currently in this particular system. So we have to install that. So for that, again, we have to go to the command prompt. And in command prompt, we will learn, from beginning to end. There are so many commands which we have to learn in this command prompt. So guys, let's focus on that. Right click, properties. I just want to increase the font size, let's say 36, so that it will be easily visible to all of you. What all commands we are going to learn today, I will tell you in command prompt, which is very important. It's a black screen, if you will call it DOS command. There are so many things, so many names. If let's say you do not know, you are not a computer science graduate, you are not a computer guy, and you want to learn this particular Python coding, for that you have to learn these commands: system info, ipconfig, ping google.com, volume, version, date, time. CD is the change directory, which is a very important thing. Mkdir, making directory, then you can create a file there, you can rename the file there, and then you can install all these commands, all these libraries. Basically, pandas is failed in Jupyter notebook. So once we will install this, it will work there properly. So for that, CMD means command prompt is very important, and we are going to learn this today. So let's start. First of all, C users SAURA. So in this folder, we are currently in C drive, in users, in SAURA. If you go here in your files and folders and go to, let's say, Windows C, this PC, in C drive, in users, this is folder. So here I am right now, where my Jupyter, Matplotlib, Spider, all the versions, IPython, everything is here only. So that's why it is showing there that I am in this particular format, in this particular library, in this particular folder. So it is telling me I'm in the C drive, in the users folder, in the Sora folder. Means actually BS should be there, but anyway, kids are kids. So we will do all these commands today. So let's try one by one. First is system info. So we'll start from system info. So this command will give you that, okay, what is the configuration of your system, what is the memory size and everything. Means I am telling you this command because every coder has to learn this and he has to use it from time to time. So here it is telling me my entire configuration of the system. So you can see that real tag, this, that, and memory should be there. Okay. Let me make it a bit easy going. So it is showing me like Windows 10 version, this, Microsoft Corporation, my email ID, HP, this, that. So whatever the configuration is there, it is showing me there. So this is the first command which we have learned, that is called system info. Then the IP config. There are so many, offices when you work, So they will ask you that, okay, what is the IP address of this system? You just type that and it will give you the IP address of that particular system. Then the pinggoogle.com. This is the very important command, guys. In a general way, when we want to check that whether our system is working or not, we are going to Google and just typing any command there to see that my internet is working fine or not, my computer is up or not. So you can do this thing here as well. Pinggoogle.com, enter. So it will tell me how many packets it is sending, how many packets it is getting back. Is there any lost in that? It is saying packet sent 4, packet received 4, lost is 0. So it means my system is up and running. So 3 commands we have seen: system info, ipconfig, and pinggoogle.com. Volume, version, date, time, these 4 are very basic commands which you have to learn. VOL will tell you in which particular directory you are writing. So I'm in the Windows Drive C. So it is telling me that. And version, what is the version of your system? Windows 10.0, something, something, it will tell you. So all these commands are important, and you have to learn this. Type these commands because these are very important things. So so that you can get used to it, because in Python you have to use this, frequently, basically. So volume, version, we have seen, date, space /t. It will give me the exact date. What is the date right now? Time, space /t. It will give me the time. What is the time right now? So we have learned system info, ipconfig, pinggoogle.com, volume, version, date, time. So guys, this is very important part. I will take some time here because in Python, you have to do this every now and then. CD, make directory, rename, and all these things. Let's go back to the command prompt. I will say cd space dot dot. See, I have written cd space dot dot. It will take me to users, means -1. Means I was earlier in SAURA folder, now I am in users folder. And if I say cd space SAURA, change directory to SAURA, it will change the directory to the SAURA. Simple. Okay. So remember this thing, cd, which is very important command, cd space dot dot. Again, I'm saying it. It's taking me back to the users. Then I will say cd space SAURA. It will take me to that original directory where I was. So cd is very important command, guys. Just remember this thing. Then we will see mkdir. Mkdir is also very important, make directory. So first of all, I will check that, okay, dir means directory. It will give me all the files which are present in this SAURA folder. So whatever the files are there, it is showing me right now. It has these many files. Some are Python files, some are text files. So all the files it is showing me there. I want to create a new folder there into this particular SAURA. So how can I do that? So dir I have already done. Now we have to do mkdir. Mkdir means make directory. I want to create a folder. I will give name as India. Okay. Now I will do dir and I will check whether that India folder is created there or not. Okay. So let me go up. So yes, you can see that India folder is already created here. And so it means our command is running properly. Now I want to create one file into India folders. So cd India. I want to go inside that folder and then I will create one file there. So creating one file is again a very good command is there that is called type null. Type null. Okay, and then you have to give greater than sign, means in type null means it's a blank file, and I'm saying I'm creating a new file called corona.txt. I want to create one null blank file, text file named corona.txt. Enter. Now I will do dir to check inside India folder that corona has been created or not. Enter. So you can see that corona.txt has been created here. So it is showing me that corona.txt is created here. Now what I will do, I want to write something in corona.txt. I will type that and enter that. See, whatever the commands you are doing in the Windows, you can do here in the DOS as well. And for that, let's say, I will say, please like, share, subscribe my channel and watch this video till end to understand how to create libraries in Python using pip command. Okay, and I will say Control S and I will close it. So it is done. So I have already created one file there. I have written the command, a few things there. And let's say if I will open it again, I want to do the same command again. I have to just press one up arrow. Up arrow will take me to the upper command. If you press one more up arrow, it will take you to the, means like one command above that. So up arrow and down arrow will take you up and down in the commands, in the command prompts. So up arrow and down arrow, always remember this thing, that you have to use it every now and then. You don't have to write the codes again and again. I want to open this particular thing. I have entered that. It is open. It is saying, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and watch this video till end to understand how to create libraries in Python using pip command. So this is done. And I have shown you in the beginning that my pandas installation got failed. Okay, now what I will do, I will go cd space dot dot, come back to my original folder here. Now my Python commands will start from here. I want to check which Python version I am in right now. So Python space dash dash version, enter. So it is saying like 3.9.7 is my current Python version. Done, great. Now I want to install pip install pandas. Pip install is a very important command, guys. Just remember this thing. When you install Python, you will get this pip. If not, then you have to install that. It is a simple command, pip install. Pip install pandas, enter. See, it will, install the pandas into my machine. It will take like 2 minutes or maybe 1 minute. And other than pandas, there are several other commands which we will install today: Matplotlib, NumPy, Plotly, OpenCV, and to upgrade the pip. So these commands are very important, and we all will learn this. So Matplotlib, pandas. So pandas we are doing right now. Pandas is a library which is used to install, update the files, read the files, do the data frames. There are so many things you can do with the pandas. We will discuss that particular thing in detail when we will do the pandas library. And then Matplotlib. Matplotlib is nothing but for plotting the things. Plotly is again the same thing. You can create a lot of graphs out of that. NumPy is for the mathematical function. OpenCV is for the object detection or image detection thing. So these things are very important. These are very important libraries of Python. But every time you have to load them. Otherwise, it will not work for sure. So successfully installed pandas. So now pandas has been installed into my machine. Let's go back to our Jupyter and I will run this command. You remember in the first first minute, in the first starting of this video, I ran this command and it got failed. It's saying no model name pandas. Now run this command again. So it will run properly and it will not give me any error for sure. So it is run properly. So it is the number has come here. It means that this command has run properly, and now I can use this pandas command in our upcoming, code text boxes. So like here, if I want to use pd command, I will definitely use that. So pandas is installed right now. Okay. Now let's go back to see this. I am doing it again and again, guys, so that you can learn that how to install the packages. Pip install matplotlib. So this is for the Plotly thing. So it is saying requirement already satisfied in my system. It is already installed. Then I will say pip install. What is the next command? NumPy. NumPy I will install, and it will say that it is already installed because I already installed that previously. But you can do that. Then OpenCV Python. So I will say pip install OpenCV dash Python, and this command is used for, this library is used for object detection. I will do one lecture very soon on the hand detection or something, so don't worry, I will teach you everything. But here in the command prompt, you have to get used to it, because it is very important. When so many people who have never worked on black screen or something like that, DOS, they get distracted, or they will say, hey man, this is too difficult. But I am telling you, this is very simple thing. You can do it. Every time you have to write this command like called pip install. Okay, then what is left? Pip install plotly. I think that is already done in my system. So our requirement already satisfied, everything is done. Sometimes you will get a error that your Python, this pip is not upgraded. So you have to upgrade that pip. Three things you have to remember. One is CD, that is change directory, how to do that. Come back CD dot dot and CD, how to go into that particular directory, how to create a file there, how to create a folder there. Then up arrow, which is very important, up arrow and down arrow. Why? Because in up arrow you can go to that upper command, down arrow will go to that down command. Means you don't have to type commands again and again. You just use your up arrow and down arrow, and you can run the same commands again and again. And here I want to show you one more important thing, that is Python and pip install upgrade pip. Sometimes you will get that your pip is not upgraded. So you have to write this particular command. And for that, you don't have to type everything. You just copy this particular thing from here. Say copy, simple, and go here in the command prompt and just right click here from your mouse or from your Apple MacBook or anything, any command, just right click there, and this command will get pasted here. So sometimes we do not want to write the commands, you just copy them and right click here, and it will get pasted and it will run for you. So requirement already satisfied. My pip is installed and it is upgraded 21.2.4, which is the latest version. So I don't have to do it. So this is done, guys. So I hope you have definitely learned a lot of new things in this lecture. Please like, share, and subscribe my video, my channel, and share it with those who definitely wants it. I hope you guys are doing it. Means pause this video, open your this command prompt, write these commands, get errors, and learn the things. Because unless you get an error, you will not learn that. I will paste all these commands in the description section of my video. Please copy them and try them in the command prompt. Learn them. And if you have any questions, please paste it on the comment section. I will definitely try to answer all of them. I will definitely answer them. Basically, I want to teach those who have never worked on this thing. So this is my passion. I just want to follow this. So please, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.